Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header of your Weebly website. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's appearance with a new background or update your logo and navigation, customizing your header is a simple way to make your website more visually appealing and user-friendly. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Now look at the left side menu and locate the option labeled Website. Click on it and you'll see a few options appear underneath. From those, click on Edit Site. This will display all the websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website you want to edit by clicking on it. Then, on the right side of the screen, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click that to enter the editor page. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to start customizing your header. Click directly on the header area at the top of your page. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Edit Background. This is where you can transform the entire look of your header. You'll now see options to choose between image, color, gradient, or even video for your header background. Select whichever option suits your design vision. If you're uploading an image or video, browse your files and select the one you want to use. If you're going with a color or gradient, pick your preferred shades from the palette provided. Take your time here to ensure the background aligns with your brand identity. Once you're satisfied with your background selection, click Save in the upper right corner. This locks in your changes and updates your header immediately. Next, let's focus on your title or logo. Hover your mouse over the title area in the header. You'll notice options appear, specifically logo or title. Click on the one you want to modify. If you're adding a logo, upload the image file from your device. If you're editing text instead, simply type in your new title. You can also adjust the font style, size, and color using the toolbar icons that appear. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional and polished your site looks. Finally, let's adjust your navigation menu. At the top of the editor, click on Pages. This will show you all the pages currently on your website. To rearrange them, simply click and drag the pages into your desired order. As you do this, your navigation menu will automatically adjust to reflect the new arrangement. This makes it easy to prioritize important pages and improve site navigation for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully edited the header of your Weebly website, giving it a fresh look and improved functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.